Hello, my name is Jess Hildebrand. I'm the manager at the Menchie Music Service in York, Pennsylvania, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the care of your new wooden clarinet. We're going to be going over the break-in period for the instrument, some new accessories that your instrument may require, and also the ongoing maintenance that your instrument will need after that initial break-in period. So first of all, congratulations on the purchase of your new wooden clarinet. That's great. I'm sure the instrument sounds amazing and you're really going to be excited to start playing it. Unfortunately, there is a break-in period for a wooden clarinet. You're not going to want to play for hours at a time right off the bat. For the first week that you have it, you're going to want to practice about 15 minutes per day. The second week, you can up that to about 15 minutes twice a day. And then beyond that, you can start gradually increasing your practice time. The reason for this break-in period is so that the wood of the instrument can really adjust to the new environment that it's in and the humidity levels of your home or practice space. And this is what's going to prevent the instrument from cracking. So something else that you're really going to need to pay attention to while you're breaking the instrument in is keeping it clean and keeping that moisture out from the inside, which is what you will need a swab for. This is what we recommend for a wooden clarinet. It's a silk swab. You may have used a felt or chamois style swab in the past for your student level instrument, but when you get to that wooden clarinet, this is what you're going to want to use. And I will show you exactly how that's done. You're going to want to take your mouthpiece off of the instrument first and flip it upside down. You'll drop the weighted end into the bell of the instrument and pull it out through the barrel. If you feel like there's still some moisture in there, you can absolutely take this in once more and pull it out. When disassembling the instrument, I also like to just look inside there and make sure there's not any moisture hiding and use the swab to absorb that as well. The other accessory that you'll be using during this break-in period and beyond is a dampet. This is a way that we can humidify our case and keep it at the proper levels. Again, so that the wood is not subject to cracking. This product is designed for orchestral instruments. This one's for a violin, but it fits right inside the clarinet case, so it's perfect for our needs here. The way a dampet works is it has a rubber casing on the outside, and the inside is a little sponge. You're going to run this underneath water and then wipe off the excess moisture on the outside, and then this will just sit right in your case, and it will release the proper amount of moisture to bring your case to the proper humidity level for the instrument. The third new accessory that you may want to look into purchasing is bore oil. Your clarinet's bore will need to be oiled about once a year. This is something that you can do yourself. You would simply use a new clean swab and takes a little bit of the oil through the instrument. However, to be honest, I've been playing the clarinet for a long time, and this is something that I've never done myself. I've always just had the repair shop do it. We offer a really great extended maintenance agreement that will cover things like oiling the bore. The extended maintenance agreement through Menchie Music Service is a very comprehensive maintenance agreement that is yearly and will cover things like pads, springs, corks, and instrument cracking. So we do highly recommend purchasing our extended maintenance agreement along with your new wooden clarinet so that you can keep up with the ongoing maintenance that this instrument will require. So that concludes our video today. We talked about the break-in period for your new instrument, some accessories that you might need for it, and also the yearly maintenance that your instrument will require in the future. If you have any other questions, please feel free to give us a call or stop by your local Menchie Music store and we'd be happy to help you out.